Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a video on my sea monkeys. I don't know how old they are, but they're big. Here we go. Yeah. Alright, earlier two of them were mating, but they broke free because the girl did not like it. So, they're really big, you just can't really see them. Hang on here, guys. I'm gonna go turn on my other light. Okay, did that make it a little better? Okay. Now maybe you can see them. Yeah, you can see them better with the light off. They're huge. Well, they're not huge, but they're bigger than they were. But the weird thing is, I only have one boy. I called him Big Daddy. You can tell if they're boys by, like, they have these really big whisker-like things. And the rest of mine have egg pouches, so they're girls. But Big Daddy is right there, swimming around. Yeah. I taped this little thing on the back to make it look like the ocean. I'm thinking I'm gonna need add a little more water. It's running out. So I'll get back to the video whenever I fill it up a little more. See you guys. Bye-bye.